Hello. Hello. I have appointment. I have appointment. I have the appointment?
Uh-oh.
Huh? I'm Teacher Tanya. Let's learn English. I have an appointment.
In English, we say a or an. These are the same. Same. A means one. An means one. It's like the number one. For example, you can say one car or a car. You can say one apple or an apple. One banana, a banana. One house, a house. One student, a student. One hat, a hat. One egg, an egg. One insect, an insect. One office, an office. One umbrella, an umbrella. So what is the difference? An is used with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. If the thing starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, then you use an. So apple, an apple. Egg, an egg. Insect, an insect. Office, an office. Umbrella, an umbrella, because we have a vowel. A, E, I, O, or U. We have a vowel. So then we say an. Car. It starts with the letter C. Is C a vowel? No. So we say a car, a car. Banana, does it start with a vowel? No, a banana, okay? So look at the first letter. Look at the first letter of the word. If the first letter is a vowel, then you can use an. If the first letter is not a vowel, then you can use a. And you can pronounce it a car or a car. A banana, a banana. It's okay, same. That's why we say an appointment, because appointment starts with a vowel. It starts with the letter A. So I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. An appointment. You have to practice an appointment. An appointment. When you speak fast, you have to practice an appointment. An appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. Practice slow and faster. Okay, now you try. A or an? I see, airplane. A or an? An airplane, because airplane starts with a vowel. It starts with A. So I see an airplane. An airplane. The next one, I see bird. I see bird. I see a bird. Yeah, you can pronounce it a or a. A bird, a bird. Tomato, tomato, same, same. It's okay. A bird, a bird. Good. I need pencil. I need a pencil. Yes, I need a pencil. I need a pencil. I need menu. I need menu. Yes, I need a menu. Menu starts with M. M is not a vowel, so we say a menu or a menu. I need a menu. I need a menu. I sent message. I sent a message. I sent a message. Just one. I sent one message. I sent a message. I sent email. If it's just one, we say an email, because email starts with a vowel. It starts with an E. So I sent an email. One email. An email. Good job. Do you want to learn English with me step by step? You can go to my website, teachertanya.com, to join my online class.
Like and follow for more English practice.